Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, I am going to talk about how to stay motivated while learning English language, right? So let's get into the video without any further delay. Dear learners, I got these questions from many people like you. They are asking me the same questions. Bro, I want to learn English. But my problem is that whenever I am trying to learn English after few days, after 10 days, after 15 days, I feel like to quit learning English. So what is the reason? Why I am not motivated enough to learn this language, right? So today I'll be telling you about the few tips. I'll be sharing with you few tips which will help you to keep yourself and feel motivated while learning this language, right? So now let's back to the point once again. Dear learners, before diving into the video, let me tell you and let me give you an example. If I ask you one question, that why do you eat food? Why do you eat food? So you eat food when you feel hungry and when you are hunger, right? That moment you eat food. So in the case of English language learning journey, if I will ask you, why do you feel demotivated? Why do you feel demotivated? The same question. Why do you eat food? What is the reason behind eating food? Because to survive your life. Okay? That's why you eat food, or you feel hungry, that's why you eat food. This is the purpose and reason of eating food. You ask the same question from yourself while learning English. Ask yourself that why do you learn English? Why do I learn English? What is my purpose for learning English language? Okay, so you might be getting answers like, I want to go to abroad countries, I want to go, other countries, like out from India for my further education. That's why I am learning English language. Okay, or maybe your answer will be little different. You want to work in the corporate world, you want to work in the private companies. There are many more companies offering job for those candidates who those are having good command over English language, right? Maybe your answer will be this. And maybe your answer could be you want to become an English trainer, right? So these are the purpose of learning this language. But if in your case there is no purpose, that why do you want to learn English? Why do you want to learn English? That moment you can feel demotivated. It is 100% for sure. It is 100% for sure, because when I was learning English, so that moment I wanted to learn English without any purpose. So I was feeling like, okay, if today I will not practice, that's okay. Means I was not consistent enough. So that's why it took me long time to learn this language. So that's why I am telling you, find your purpose, find your why. That why do you want to learn English? Find your why do you want to learn English? And the moment you get your purpose, the moment you find your purpose, that you want to learn English because of your further education, you want to learn English language because for doing job in the corporate world, you want to go to abroad, you want to go to Canada, America, any country it could be. So that's why you want to learn this language. So that moment, believe me, this purpose will be sufficient for you to make yourself, or to make you feel motivated all the time while learning English language. This is the main reason. This is the main reason why many learners do not feel confident and do not feel motivated while learning this language, right? I am telling you, and you can say it's all about my experience that I have faced in my past. I am just suggesting you ways, and if you will follow these ways, then believe me, you can learn this language before than me or earlier than me, right? So that's why I'm telling you, just keep these things in your mind. And the second reason there would be, that is called not having proper plan. Not having proper plan means you are thinking learning English is a rocket science, but it's not like that. Just remove from your mind this fear, English is a rocket science. Not at all. Take English as a language. Think English as a language. This is the second point, and it is very important. Just listen it, right? Just think English as a language, as a second language, nothing like a rocket science. Yes, of course, it is a bit difficult, but not that much. We are making that much difficult just by thinking in our mind, oh, English is so tough. I can't be able to speak in English. It is not in reality. If your will is there, if your willpower is there, so you can learn it, right? Because also I was thinking the same thing as you are thinking now. I was thinking I will not be able to learn English, but I got to know English is not a rocket science. It's just like a other language, right? So I started learning. Now you can see I have improved my English a bit. I am not saying that I have improved my English good too much, not like that, but I am still trying my best to improve my English. All right, I hope that you have understood these 2 points. First one is find your why, purpose, and the second one is not having proper plan. Not having proper plan means thinking negativity about English. Just be positive and take it lightly, and do not forget to do practice. Not forget to do practice, because there is a saying in English, practice makes you perfect. The more practice you give, the better result you get in the slow time, in less time, right? So I hope that you have understood each and every point, and if you are ready to follow my advice, so just give a comment below in the comment section and let me know. And if you have any question, so you can ask me. I will be definitely trying to reply your all of your comments, right? So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye, see you soon, and once more, thanks for watching my video. Okay, bye.